Yeah, it's now raining a lot. As you can see, it's a lot of rain here. Yeah. Hey. Eh. The biggest rain ever. Yeah. you, Ezekiel. That's my friend here, Ezekiel, yeah. Raining a lot. Yeah. Raining a lot. Yo, it's after the rain. This is how it looks like. Yo, that's the Chinese company over there, and this is the place that I'm feeding my cow. And I'm now going over there. Yeah, it rained today a lot. Wow, the bike hit the road, going very fast. Yeah. We're having a lot of bikes here. That's the means of transportation, the cheapest means of transport, and the fastest. If you want to go very fast, you want to take a motorbike. Here they call it andudi or a boda. Yeah, that's the cheapest means of transport over here. You see, there are a lot. That's another one. Yeah. That's another one over there again. It's a lot of bike here. On a course, yeah, muddy. Shoes are very muddy. And so on Monday today, it was a market today, and people were buying and selling things. Oh, Lene, yo guys, so let's go give the cow. It's over here, and then go back home. Yeah, that's the tarmac road. If you train here, it's good to be in a tarmac road like this one here. It's better, especially if you're driving. Yeah. So let's go get the cow, Faith. Then I will be going on the other side of this place. Yeah. Yeah, on a distance from here, it's a Chinese company over there, and this is where my car is always feeding. So, and that's gonna be my working place. Yeah, so I wanna go get Faith. There she comes. There, Faith, she comes. Faith, here she comes. Yeah. It trained today, so I think she's like feeling cold, and then again I need to go and milk her, so she's gonna be like running way fast. Yeah. There you go. Faith. Okay. Come. Faith, she's on the road, and she's really running today. Yeah. Yeah, she just crossing the road. That's the crossing point of Faith there, always. Yeah. Yo, after the rain. So on the other side, apart from being in a tarmac road here, yeah, this is how it looks like. And we are now going home. And actually, it's not my first time making this video of this road after the rain. And this is how it looks like, yo. Yeah, the water is gonna be flowing on the other side, and it didn't actually, it rained big, but not that big as like the other time when I was here making that video. Yeah, a little bit of a forest, very tall trees here. Yeah, and this is how it looks like here in our village. Yeah, last time I was near, I thought that the government should do something to avoid this drainage. You know, this can destroy the road, and maybe after maybe few it's a lot of birds there on the tree here. Yeah, you can hear the sound of birds. Yeah. On the road, yeah, even though this one is not yet tarmac, but you know, so it should be like they should be making the road look nice when it's still like this one. Yeah, fade the. Yeah, so you see that one is one of the culvert. We call it a culvert here. Yeah. The culvert where the water is gonna be passing. Yeah. And that's the Faith here. He's gonna try to eat some food while we take her to home. Yeah, Faith. Yeah, sure. Faith. Yeah. Gonna eat everything. But now she's full. Better than it was in the morning. Yeah. So finally home sweet home. We are here. Rain a lot, yo. See. Yeah, that's Zion. We are here. So I want to thank you for you guys watching my video from the beginning up to the end. I want to say thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, and then the next thing is that you drop a comment, of which I will be replying to that comment that you guys are dropping to my video. So guys, thank you so much. I wanna appreciate it a lot. I wanna say thank you, and we're here now at home. So next thing is that I wanna go do the milking, and then we call it a day. So see you in the next one. Bye guys, thank you. Yeah.